Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, you can see on deck what I got here is some leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. I froze this turkey, put it in a Ziploc freezer bag a week ago. And I thawed it out last night, and I picked whatever I could off the bone, and this is what I came up with. And today I'm going to be making you amazing turkey soup. The best amazing turkey soup. Alright, that's the turkey I got there. I got medium onion chopped up. I got some carrots right here chopped up. I got some garlic right here chopped up. I have some chicken broth. This is 2 pounds. I have some no yolk dumpling noodles. Right here, some poultry seasoning, some sea salt, some thyme, and some red pepper flakes, and some black pepper, and some cream of mushroom right here, followed by with some real mushrooms. I gotta have the mushrooms in mine. If you don't want it in yours, you don't have to have it. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. It's gonna be real quick, hopefully. We're gonna go ahead and get these going right here. The vegetables going, saute them up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and incorporate all the rest of the stuff in there other than noodles. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the pot I was gonna use. I'm thinking about using the whole back, and I could eat the soup all day. So we're gonna switch this out, and I'm gonna go with this bigger pot. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So first thing you want to do is put a little olive oil in that, like a tablespoon. That's about a teaspoon. Okay. Then we're gonna get us a little butter. Put like a tablespoon of that in there. I mean, if you don't want to put that much in yours, you don't have to, guys. Okay. I'm gonna put a tablespoon in there for me. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this in there. See if you guys, I'll move this up a little bit for you guys and see what's going on. Okay, this is a big deep pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my onions first. It's not all the way hot. I'm not really pressed about that. I'm not really searing anything. So that's medium onion. This is like 2 cloves of garlic, chopped. Fresh garlic, I should say. I should always say that, because some people like to buy the water stuff. I mean, you know, the stuff that's cured in water or whatever. I like to use fresh. You can do what you want to do. But it just seems like it tastes better to me. I don't want all that extra stuff. And all we're going to do is like get these bad boys going. Get them a little translucent. Put my carrots in there as well. I don't want that many of them. And if you want to use, you guys, some celery, you could. So I'm going to cook this guy for about not even 3 minutes, about 2 minutes. And I'll show you the next step in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That's all you do. Now I'm going to put my seasoning in there. You go with black pepper first, where I go with the salt, sea salt. We're going to put us like a tablespoon of that. teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a tablespoon of thyme, and poultry seasoning. We'll put a tablespoon of that. Alright. That's what's in there. Now, mix this up a little bit. Get them seasoning working in there. Get some heat to them. Okay. Sorry about the noise. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our broth in there. Chicken broth. And I probably end up using, so total is probably about 4 pounds. It won't be 4 pounds of chicken stock though. I probably use like some more water or something, and just make my own broth up or something with some chicken stuff. I really don't need to, but I'm going to. See, there ain't enough water for me. 4 cups of water. Okay guys, I am back. It's not at the boil right now. I just figure might well go ahead and add this turkey in there before you can get some more flavor to it. Okay. I should get real ignorant and throw some white wine in it, but I'm not going to do it this time. Okay. But if you want some, you can. So I'm going to let that come to a boil, and then I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I did forget to mention something. Throw about 3 of these little small bay leaves in there. I'm going to turn this down a little bit on medium. I'm going to go in here with, try like a half a can first. See how thick I want it. And this is 1 pound, so this would be like 8 ounces. From the looks of it, I do see that. It'll take a while anyway. We're just gonna go ahead and put the whole can in there. Okay, that's it. And we're gonna let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll pour our noodles in there. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, in about 15-20 minutes, go ahead and pour these noodles in there. And the only reason I'm cooking them that long is because of the carrots. Put these noodles in here. A whole bag, guys. A whole bag. And what we will do here is let these noodles like submerge in this for a while, for about good 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll serve it up and I'll show you guys how it looks. That sauce. Yes. Yes. If you guys can smell this, I swear for a living. Got my stomach. I wasn't even hungry. Got my stomach cramping. It smells that amazing in here. See if I can tilt this pot a little bit for you guys. Okay. So, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is. The best amazing turkey noodle soup in Dogg's kitchen. And guys, if you like these recipes, please go ahead and subscribe and tell all your friends and family to tune into Dogg's kitchen while we bring you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. I'll see you guys next time in Dogg's kitchen. Let's get cooking.